Hello everyone, myself for Dr. GVL Prasad, Assistant Professor Automobile Engineering Department, VNR VJEC. Today I will show you construction of parabola through AutoCAD. Okay, so in parabola, construction of parabola, these are the various methods: rectangular oblong method, parallelogram method, tangent method, general or eccentricity method. In previous video I have done already rectangular oblong method, you can verify. Today I am going to explain a parallelogram method. So, okay, let's go to the problem. So this is the problem. So inscribe a parabola in a parallelogram of sides 110 mm and 80 mm. The included angle being 60 degrees. Consider the longer side of the parallelogram as the base of the parabola. This is the given problem. Okay, sides 110 mm and 80 mm, included angle 60 degrees. Okay, so then go to the AutoCAD window. Okay, this is our AutoCAD window. First of all, you have to set the units. Okay, so to set the units, you have to type UN. So then usually we will set it into millimeters. Default it will be there in inches. So we set it into millimeters. Okay, so then fine. Okay, next you have to set the limits. LIMITS limits. Okay, so the limits are 0, 0, enter 594, 420. So this is how we can set the limits. So then draw a border. So for this, so from the draw toolbar, take the rectangle command. So rectangle command 0, 0, lower left corner 0, 0, 0, 0. Then upper right corner 594, 420. Use @ 594, 420. So then Z enter, E enter, so that the border is drawn. Okay, so then take a line command. So take a line command, one of the sides as given as 110 mm, take a line command and specify any point here on the screen. So then ortho should be on, while drawing a line, so ortho should be on. So 110 mm, right, 110, enter. Okay, this is how we can draw a 110 mm line. So now I have to draw another axis of the parabola is 80 mm and included angle 60 degrees. So for this I have to draw an inclined line with an angle 60 and a length of 80 mm. So for this I will tell you the syntax. To draw an inclined line, the syntax is @ distance less than angle. Okay, @ distance less than angle. So here, after taking the line command, specify any point somewhere. Okay, so I will draw first inclined line outside and then I will move. Okay, so right, just I am clicking here. Then @ distance, how much? 80. So angle 60, less than 60, done. So perfect. So I got an inclined line. So this inclined line should be move to midpoint. So select the move command. So select the object, right click and then midpoint. Okay, place here. So like this, copy at other sides also. Okay, right click, take this base point and then place here and here as well. Okay, right. So then complete the parallelogram. Okay, this is, so parallelogram completed. This is how parallelogram is done. So if you want to keep the dimensioning, so anyway you know that draw okay, sorry, dimension, go to dimension, linear. You can take a different color while doing a dimensioning. Take an yellow color. Okay, this is how you can. Okay, right. Okay, so you are not able to see actually, so then go to dimension style. So go to modify and then arrows and symbols. So then increase the arrow size to 5. Okay, arrow size to 5. Then go to the text, don't change anything, just text height 5. Then primary units just 0, 0. Okay, done. So now you can able to see the dimensioning. Okay, right? Okay, so later, so for keeping the dimensioning for a inclined line, you have to go to align. So dimensioning, instead of linear, you have to go to align. Okay. So align. Okay, so that the dimension line should be parallel to the actual line. Okay, this is how we have to. Otherwise, you can keep here also. Repeat the align. So you can keep here also, this side also, no problem, anywhere also. So like this you have to keep the dimensioning. So for a while I am removing this dimensioning. Okay, so okay, let us otherwise keep it, no problem. So I am removing this axis. Axis is not required. Horizontal line not required here. Okay, right, delete this. So now the procedure is divide this into certain number of equal parts. Let us say 4. Same number of parts are, you should divide this. Okay, so for this divide, divide so object selection. This is the object you want to divide. So let us number of 4. Okay, enter. So it is divided actually, but you are not able to see that divisions because you have to set the DDP type. DDP type you have to set. So here default it is a dot you cannot see. So select this point. Okay, and then size 5 it is okay. Then set absolute units instead of relative to the screen, take the second option, then okay. So then you are able to see that. So I'm changing the letter. Okay, so this also half of the axis you have to divide the same number of equal parts. That is, it is a full line. So I'll divide it into 8 equal parts so that it will be 4. It will come 4. Okay, again divide divide. So this should be 8. So once if you set the DDP type, automatically next time it will come. You need not every time, not required actually. So I'll change the color. Next the thing is what you have to supposed to do is, so from here, so here to here you have to connect. Okay, so you have to join all the points. You have to join like this. Okay, right. So similar way you have to divide this side also. So divide 4. Okay, right. So next to join. Okay, right. Next thing you have to draw same inclined lines are parallel to this from here, here and all. Okay, so for this go to copy, take these lines, right click, take it as a base point. Okay, from the base here, 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 here. Okay, so I'll change the color in order to differentiate. Okay, so this is the middle line. So these lines I'll change the color. This line I'll change the color so that it will be very easy to differentiate between. Okay, right. Actually, the first line, go to trim command, take a trim command. The first line is up to here. So up to here you trim. Second line is up to here. So third line is up to here. Okay. Similarly, so first one up to here, up to here, up to here. You have to trim like this. Okay. Trim like this and erase the extra parts. So this is the procedure actually. This is how you have to do it. Then wherever these lines are intersecting, you have to keep a point over there. Point. You can keep one point here. 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 One point here. Here, okay, right. So next, take a spline command and join all those points starting from here, okay. I'll take take spline command starting from here, base, okay, this is the base. So all these points here. So you have to join like this, and then so you have to close the curve actually. So somewhere like this, you show the in this direction, somewhere like you show like this, and then enter. So then highlight this one. So for this, select the line and apply line weight. Go to properties and apply line weight. Apply line weight. Okay, anyone, just apply line weight, and from here select the line weight option, so that it will be like this. Here I have not kept the notation actually. You can keep A, B, this axis C, D. This will call it as a base, and this will call it as an axis A, B, C, D, and you can give 1, 2, 3, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, something like this. You can do like this also, but for a thing I have not given any notation. If you want, you can keep the notation. I already explained how to give the notation, writing a multi-text line and all. You refer a previous videos if you have any doubts, okay. Right, thank you. Next method, I will show you how to draw parabola by tangent method.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.